Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class we will discuss about comments in C++, right? So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, I had created the file called comments.cpp. So for this you have to go to the new empty file and save it as comments.cpp. And I have written as include IO stream, and after that using namespace std, right? After that I have to use int main function, and after that I have to open it, and here I have to write c out, and here I will write comments and leave c plus plus. So one line comments will be written by using double slash. So by using double slash you can write the comments. For example, if I write this is all about the comments in the C++, right? And if you want multi-line comments, so you have to write star slash and slash star, right? Or slash star to star slash, right? So in this, you can write the multi-line comment. The above one is the comments in C++, right? We have using two lines, right? So it is a multi-line comment. For the single line comment, you have to use two double slashes, and for the multi-line comments, you have to use slash star and star slash, right? So let's run this program, right? First of all, you have to build it. Control F9. Yeah, it's build it, right? So after that, we have to return it, right? We have to return 0. And again, build it, save the file and build it again. Save it and build it again. Yeah, save it and build it and click on execute. Yes. Cout and double quotes and return 0 using namespace std. Yeah, save it and build it again. And yeah, it's now it will work, right? So comments in the C++. So the semicolon is very important, right? After using namespace std, you have to write semicolon, and after each line you have to write the semicolon. So then it will work. See, the comment, whatever we commented, it is not present in the output. So in this way, we can write the comments in C++, right? So I hope you understand all these things. And if you have any doubts, just please comment in the chat. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.